Good morning, class ninth. As you can see, it is your first class, means you have just entered in the class ninth. So, my work is to first tell you about that from now your science subject, that is, science part, is divided into that is three parts will be there of science. One is physics, okay, second is chemistry, and third one is bio. Okay, so basically science has many divisions, but according to your class I'm telling you that your science subjects is divided into these three parts: physics, chemistry, and bio. In physics, in physics part in physics part we mostly study about the energy changes, in the interaction of the objects when the objects are brought together, what kind of energy changes take are taking places. And other than that, in chemistry part in chemistry we study about um, the matter means what are the different things which make up the matter, atoms, molecules, and all that, and how the how it means how the changes occur when two atoms or two molecules combine with each other. In biology, which is known as the science of a living being, in biology we study about the means the living beings. What are different living beings, how do they live, what are their habitats, what are their food habits, and all these things. Okay, so let's see what is biology. I have written here biology. It is a scientific study. Okay, we are not talking about anything which is happening without any reason. It is a scientific study, means it is based on some concepts, some facts, okay, in which we study about the living beings, how they live and how they live in their environment, in which kind of habitat they live, uh, okay, what are the things which make up their body. Okay, so this all we will study in biology section. Okay, and let me show you some more things about, that is the course which we are going to cover. So this is your course content, okay, according to NCERT, which we are following here also. So there are, you can see there are 15 chapters in which we are more concerned about okay, let me tell you about all. Your chapter 1, matter, it is related to which one? Matter, it is related to chemistry. Matter around us, that is also it is chapter number 2 is also of chemistry. Then atoms and molecules, chemistry chapter. Structure of the atom, chemistry chapter. Chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life, this is of bio. Chapter number 6, tissue, it is of bio. Chapter number 7, diversity in living beings, it is also of bio. Then chapter number 8, motion, it is of physics. Chapter number 9, force and laws of motion, it is of physics. Gravitation, physics. Work and energy, physics. Sound, physics. Why do we fall ill, this chapter is about bio. Then chapter number 14, natural resources, it is also of bio. And chapter number 15, improvement in the food resources. So basically we are going to cover these many chapters, chapter number 5, 6, 7, and chapter number 13, 14, and 15, means these 6 chapters are of bio which we will study now. students, I am giving you one homework for you all, that you need to, your homework is to study the part which I am giving in the group of class 9th. It is related to this topic, that is our first chapter, the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. Okay, so this chapter, why I am taking this chapter only, it is also of your, it is your first chapter also. And one more thing is good about this, that you have studied this in class 8th. Okay, so if you if it is possible, if you have class 8 book, then please study this chapter again, read it again, so that I can explain you this chapter. Okay, and other than that, I am providing you the portion which is having this chapter, only the part which I am giving you in the in the group, that will be shared in the group. Please read those pages. I think 3 pages I have selected over there. Just please read those 3 pages, and after that, from tomorrow I'll start this chapter. Okay, this chapter number 5. Okay, that's this chapter number 5, we will start from tomorrow. Okay, don't forget to read the chapter, because without reading the chapter you will not be able to understand it. Okay, so better you read it and be prepared. From tomorrow I'll start your first chapter, the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. Thank you so much.